severe thunderstorm warning for western Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 4 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Reedsburg to near Maisel-Maine, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Portage, Reedsburg, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Wisconsin, Lake Delton, West Baraboo, Plain, North Freedom, Merrimack, Rock Springs, Loganville, Leland, Interstate 90/94 interchange, Devils Lake St. Park and Hill Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.